Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do a flip through of the new 12-month budget happy planner and the budget planner companion. So sorry about the glare here, but the first thing that I want to flip through is the budget planner, and I had to have this when I saw Heather Kell do a flip through. This layout is totally different than the previous budget happy planners. So they used to do their budget planners with the vertical, like the 3-box layout, and to me that's just, I'm not going to use those vertical weekly sheets for a budget planner, but this is totally different. So I actually didn't order this on my first release date order. I went back and ordered it that night when Heather posted her video, and I think that a lot of people did because we didn't realize that these planners were going to be as awesome as they are. So of course this is undated, so it does come with your monthly stickers to put on your tabs here, and then you will need to get like a dates and holidays sticker book to fill in your monthlies, or just hand write it in your dates. So it says, hello, this happy planner budget edition belongs to, and then you can just put your name here. I actually ordered the PNG file from Heather Kell. She hand lettered my name, so I just cut it on my Cricut with whatever vinyl matches my planners. So that's how I do that. So then we go into the dashboard. So this would be for, if I'm using this for the first of the year, this would be for January. We've got financial goals, budget for the month of, and you put your month in there. And this says, don't forget, keep track of events and unexpected expenses that pop up during the month. I like that. And then here's a place for you to write your unexpected expenses, unexpected spends. And then this divider says the grass is green where you water it. And then we go straight into our monthly. So you've got just a blank space here to write anything that you want to write. And then of course you have to date it. But here's where the awesomeness comes in. Look at this. All right, so the first page, we have the month of, we have a place to put our income and then our totals, so our income, expenses, and whatever's remaining. And then here we have a column for date, bill, description, category, amount, and whether or not it was paid. So I always, if you saw any of my other videos, I just use, I was using notebook paper, so I use currently a Happy Notes, and then all I do is this right here. I list out my bills, check off, whether or not they were paid, what the amount, and all of that. But then this goes in deeper. So we have here a savings tracker. It says date, account, activity, and balance. And then we have accounts and debts. So we have the date, account, activity, and balance. I really like this. So we can keep up with our credit cards, our savings. You can keep up with your auto loans, but then it goes deeper. In just a second, I'll show you where it goes deeper in the companion. So over here on the side for each month, you'll find a challenge. So this challenge for, this is going to be my January, is a no spend. It says try to only spend on necessities for at least 1 week during this month and report back. So I really like these challenges. And then instead of the vertical layout, we have weekly expenses. So we have one page for each week with the date, the category, description, amount. Was it a need or was it a want? And then where do I deserve a gold star? And is there anything I can do better next week? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those for your months that have 5 weeks. And then we just have this grid page over here to write any kind of notes that we need to write. And then we go right straight into the same dashboard as the month before. So this is your second divider. Thinking positively isn't about expecting the best to happen every time, but accepting that whatever happens is the best thing for that moment. I like that. This one says sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. And I always say the best lessons in life are the hard ones. This one says your future is super bright. I trust the next chapter because I know the author. Amen to that. Okay, so this one has like holographic foil on it, which is some of these circles. And here we go. It costs $0 to be grateful for what you already have. We probably all need to practice that, don't we? Especially with Happy Planner products. All right, this one says start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. This is what I need to do for 2020. I really need to do this because we have so much stuff that I shouldn't have to buy stuff for a long time. The only thing I should have to buy is food. But anyways, this one says, life is tough, but so are you. And then this looks like text messaging. This is from your bestie. Girls night, let's do girls night in, and yes, see you soon. So this whole thing means let's save some money and don't go out. I'm good at that. I just order online, right? I stay in, but I ordered online. All right, and this one says it's okay to make mistakes, have a bad day, to do what's best for you. So it's okay to do those 3 things. And then our 12th month says learn how to see the possibility, not the problem. So that is changing your whole mindset, and I like that. And I'm stuck to the table here. Okay, so here is our back cover. I love these colors. It makes the whole adulting thing just happy and bright. So I love the front. It says girls just want to have funds. Yes, we all want to have funds to spend on Happy Planner stuff, right? All right, so then this is the Planner Companion. And this is what I am most looking forward to. So we have another bracelet. So I'll have a pink one to wear now. Okay, so this bracelet says wear this bracelet as a reminder to be intentional with your spending and conscious of where your money goes. I need to wear this like 24/7. Any of y'all need to wear that 24/7? Okay, so this is what sold me on this Planner Companion. I love these envelopes. I don't really have a use for them, but they are so pretty and they look so functional. I had to have it. So this one says mindset, I can and I will. This one says if not now, then when? Small progress is still progress, and know your worth. So the only other time that we saw these skinny envelopes was in the Teresa Collins Be Happy box. These would be great in a skinny classic planner for cash envelopes, if you do the cash envelope budgeting. So those will be perfect for that. So now we have some filler paper, and I did take a sneak peek at this when I got it in, so sorry for that, but I love these. Like, I am so ready to dig in and map out my 2020. So this one is financial goals, and it says get it girl, next month, next quarter, next 6 months, and next year. So you can map out your whole year. And then we have a vision map that goes 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. So I like that. Now these pages, I'm not sure if I will use these or how I would use these. So these are little monthly calendars, and it says bill schedule. And I think the reason maybe that they put these in here was for someone who does not have a specific planner for budgeting, because I will actually use my monthlies in my budget planner to write my bill schedule. So I'm not sure what I will do with those, but this, I love this. So here's a way we can get all that Christmas credit card debt paid off. We have a debt repayment. So we have each month here how much we're going to pay, what the account name is, whether or not it was paid off, and well, actually I'm skipping. It's up here: interest rate, beginning balance, and end of year balance. So I'm going to fill this out for credit cards, and I would even love to do this for like my car payment. And I think it's just a nice way to hold yourself accountable. So here is a savings tracker. So we got front and back. So we can have 4 different things that we're saving for. Right now, my focus is going to be saving for my middle son to get him a car. So we have our amount needed, our target date, our starting balance, and our monthly savings goal. Then you can put your date, deposit, and your balance. I really like this. So I'm looking forward to this. And let's see. So then we have a no spend tracker. And we have several of these. So we have 3 of these, front and back. So you got enough for a year. So this is for the month of. Don't spend on Happy Planner planning supplies. And then you check off each day of the month that you did not spend on whatever. If it's clothes, makeup, movies, out to eat, whatever. You can put your description here. And then you're going to report back. So how did it go this month? For each month. So we've got enough for a year there. I love this. I love this. All right, and then we have a budget overview. So this would be where you write your January income, expenses, and savings, and you can do that all the way through December, and then put your notes down here at the bottom. I love this, y'all. I am just in love with this. And look at this pretty rainbow note paper on the back. And then we just have some filler paper that says notes and things, and on the back it is like a graph paper or grid. So we have our little categories here and notes. I love this. All right, and then on this side we have the vision board, and I cannot wait to decorate this and put this in my planner. So we have like a top 3 here, and then we have our motivation. So this would be my 2020 financial goals. And then look at this. We have a savings jar, so we can fill up our jar as we go through the year. And then here's another message. Hey there, what is your short-term goal? So you can fill in your short-term goal, and then it says, what is your long-term goal? You can fill in your long-term goal, and then it says, I can and I will. I love this. And then on the back, we have our savings. So saving for 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this coordinates with your 4 over on these other pages. And then we have our inspiration for our savings. I love this. And then I love this folder. I was kind of sad whenever I opened this, and I thought, oh gosh, I need to have a folder that matches. And I forgot that this companion pack comes with a folder. So I have this one that matches to go in the back, and then I usually don't use these. I'm not sure if I will find a way to use it, but this is a dry erase and or wet erase board, so you can use it as a dashboard divider in your planner. It says expenses at the top, and then you can fill in your weekly expenses, your totals, week of, bills to pay, date, description, amount. There's a space for needs and wants. And then on the back we have just jot it down and don't forget. So I'm not sure if I'll use this. We'll see if I can use it as maybe a dashboard divider for my weekly pages. But I got another set of the Planner Babe dashboards to use in my budget planner because I think it matches really well. So alright y'all, that is it for my budget flip through. I hope you guys are as crazy about this new budget planner as I am. I think once I get done editing these videos, I'm going to sit down and fill out my 2020 goals. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications when I upload, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.